Welcome to another video from Yenkna PCs. This time we're going to talk about a cell phone app for the Raspberry Pi called RaspiCheck. We're going to switch online now. Okay, on the Google Play Store, click on RaspiCheck. Click on Install, which mine's already installed, so we'll skip this part for now. Okay, click on the menu button at the bottom of your phone. Click on RaspiCheck. Okay, this is what RaspiCheck looks like before it's set up. Click on the pencil icon to add your Raspberry Pi to your phone. Okay, username is Pi, password is Raspberry. Okay, now this is what it's set up after I got my Raspberry Pi set up and SSH enabled. Make sure you got that enabled. And this is telling me the temperature and everything of my Raspberry Pi. It's set at 116.96 degrees Fahrenheit. That's not Celsius, ladies and gentlemen, it's Fahrenheit. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, this is just a tutorial on how to set up RaspiCheck and install it. I hope you found this video educational. Please hit that like button. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and see you later.